Hi दोस्तों. This is again another day in Bali. Sorry, beer. What Bali? Oh shit. Yeah, this is another day. Today is amazing. It's really nice. I didn't sleep last night. Good talks. So nice people here, and the view right in front of me is just so amazing. Like can't express in words. Camera can't justify this, man. Seriously. Like literally, clouds are like moving in front of me. It's just going. And so impressive. It's just going. Ah. It's all trees. It feel like I'm up like in the with the level of clouds, because all the trees down there and all like looking like very foggy and all. Like cloud is still there and I can see that. It's crazy, man. Oh, this is beautiful. And I'm having my laptop. I'm working also. Just this remote work things. But that's great. That's great, right? Yeah. I'm not recording much. I had so many plans that I want to record this, and the kind of things I'm seeing here, I'm getting like, okay, I can record this, that, but fuck, man, my leg is just not, giving me any support. But it's fine, I guess, right? Yeah. But this is beautiful. पता नहीं, I was just like, just by seeing this, how these clouds are going, it's like so nice, like reflection of life also, just like slowly, but so fast. Does this make sense? I don't know. Life is slow. We try to live it slow, but it goes so fast, just like clouds. When we are seeing them slow, but going so fast. That's crazy. Oh man, but I don't know what to say. But this is kind of good frame I got, so I thought why not just have a little talk to someone, maybe me or with you guys. But it's nice, man. You can hear all the sound of the nature. Like it's amazing. I don't know. Should like wait. Let me see if can camera justify this the view I'm talking. Is it visible? No, man. I don't think so. But this is just ins- amazing, no? Like wow. And again, this is me. Let's put the frame. Let's see the frame, no? Yeah. Okay. So I was just. It's nice actually here. पता नहीं मेरे पास ज़्यादा कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं है. मतलब क्या ही बोलूँ. जगह अच्छी है, कितनी बार बोलूँ. लोग अच्छे हैं, सब अच्छे हैं. This place is really cozy, really nice, really highly recommended. Hill view. Ah man, like I have this cross mind अभी ऐसे कि मतलब मैं यहाँ घूमने आया था, मैंने सोचा था ये करूँगा वो करूँगा, बट कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, राइट? So मुझे पहले लगा like when this leg thing happened, मुझे लगा कि oh shit, what I'm gonna do now? But, but I just realized like not doing something is also fun. This I always used to hear this and I'm like I don't know what the rubbish they're saying, but yeah, doing nothing is also sort of fun. It like connects you with you. It's nice, and with this good view, you can work and eat good, enjoy, watch something. It's nice. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. I don't know when I'm gonna post it or if I'm gonna post it or not. What the fuck? Crazy. कल ही ना मुझे ऐसा बड़ा अजीब सा थॉट आ रहा था कि, और ये बात सच है, मतलब आई एम एक्सेप्टिंग इट, दैट आई एम जस्ट नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्रेस माई सेल्फ एंड माई फीलिंग्स. Wait, yeah, me, myself, about my feelings, about my thought point of view in Hindi. Actually, this is really big problem. When it comes to any conversation, any talk, argument, I always start to speak in English, which I like. Okay, it's fine. It's nice to have that. I mean, that's what I feel. But I really feel like I should able to express myself in Hindi also. It was not the case before. Actually, for last, I guess, two and a half, almost 3 years, 2.5 years, good 2.5 years, I've surrounded with like only non-Hindi speaking people, right? Someone from South Indian people, Northeastern people, and people from other places also who don't speak Hindi. Not theirs, their first language, right? So I always used to argument, talk, fun, laugh, roasting, whatever the shit in English only with all of them. And then my ex was a Malayali, right? From Kerala, barely Hindi. Yeah, with time she got to know, but most of the time, any argument, any fight, any conversation, any planning, whatever it is, was like English only. But I guess that's the big problem, Like for those 2 years, I've continuously expressed myself only English, and damn, it's so difficult. Like I try to talk. Sorry, I can talk, of course, but try to express myself, my feelings, my POV thoughts. It's weird. I don't know. बट दैट्स फाइन आई गेस। नहीं, अब मैंने सोच लिया लाइक अब मैं अपनी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चीज़ें ना हिंदी में बोलूँगा, हिंदी में करूँगा, अच्छा रहेगा ना। आई मीन हिंदी बहुत ही खूबसूरत, बहुत प्यारी लैंग्वेज है, लाइक सच में। और भी लैंग्वेज अच्छी है। मैन, इट साउंड्स लाइक आई डोंट, देयर सो मेनी issues going on in India on language. I feel like what the fuck should I say now? No disrespect, no respect. Oh, I don't know what it is, but you get it right. And what else in my mind? What else in my mind? There is something else, but I think not expressing it here is better. Yeah, just. Yesterday night, no, I ate this noodles, like ऊपर ही जो कैफे वहाँ पे नूडल खा रहे थे। हाँ भाई, मुझे नूडल्स इतना नहीं पसंद है, मुझे ठीक है, ओके मुझे इतना नहीं पसंद है, राइट। फिर पर भैंस की आँख वो जो नूडल्स था, क्या बताएं, हमारा एकदम गजब हो गया भाई। बहुत अच्छा, मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा नूडल था। मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया वो खा के। और उसमें से क्रिस्पी वो थे, क्या कहते हैं, ऑमलेट का साइड वाला होता है ना, लाइक क्लास। So nice, that's so crispy. I really like that thing in omelets. Oh man, amazing. And one thing is, there are other people in the building, right? Fellow travelers, but in my dormitory, I'm all alone. I'm just single. So, it's really nice. Not nice, I think it's like nice also, bad also. Sometimes I'm feeling, if there was someone in the dorm, it would be nice, no? Like, I don't know why, but yeah. Then I thought like, okay, it's fine only, it's full my place. I can do anything. I can, and I'm doing also. I'm just randomly, laying down on the top one, then in the middle, and this whatnot. It's crazy. Oh, now mountains are visible. Clouds are going. Wow. Nice. Okay, I think I don't have anything else right now in my mind. So if I have